But first, that bombshell breaking news in the Flint Water Crisis.
All criminal charges have been dropped against 8 current and former officials.
This now means the investigation starts from scratch.
Well, let's not waste any time and get right to 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirshner. So, Jim, why are these charges being dropped?
Because they want to take a new approach to this massive case. We contacted several members of the previous team. That includes who was the lead prosecutor, Todd Flood. This is his law office here in Royal Oak. He did not respond to us, but another member of the previous team is the former FBI agent in charge of Detroit. He says they did not see this decision coming.
I'm shocked. I know the work that was put into the investigation and into the prosecution, and I think it was solid and it was not politically motivated in the least. And I just think that it's shocking. And if I'm a resident of the city of Flint, I'd be shaking my head right now.
The previous team was put in place by former Michigan Attorney General Bill Schuette and included Todd Flood as the lead prosecutor. He cut deals with some state and local Flint officials to become witnesses for the prosecution. But these 8 remain charged until today, including 2 former top state officials. Former State Health Director Nick Lyon and former top state medical director Eden Wells were both bound over for trial on charges of involuntary manslaughter, misconduct in office, willful neglect of duty. In the heart of their case, 12 people in Flint died of Legionnaire's disease that was tied to the Flint Water Crisis. One of those, John Snyder, no relation to former Governor Rick Snyder. Melissa Mays is one of the Flint families who lived through the crisis and had several health issues over the years.
There's just too many what-ifs going on in the lives of Flint residents as it is. So now what little tiny piece of justice we may see is now just tossed. And they're like, whatever, we're going to do it over, we're going to do it better. We have no proof of that because they still have yet to meet with Flint residents.
The new team includes the new state solicitor general and Wayne County prosecutor Kim Worthy. They said in a joint statement, legitimate criminal prosecutions require complete investigations. They had immediate and grave concerns about the investigative approach that had been used. All available evidence was not pursued. They worked to salvage whatever progress had been made, and their team has already identified additional individuals of interest and new information relevant to the Flint Water Crisis.
The new team wants to take ownership of the prosecution, so it's not really that surprising. I think that they want to build the case from ground zero all the way up, and they want to own it.
And just as we're coming on the air, we got a statement from previous Attorney General Bill Schuette, who says his Office of Special Counsel brought 59 charges against 15 people that ended up at this point with 5 convictions. He said he had an experienced, hard-hitting team, and everything they did was for the people of Flint. Reporting live in Royal Oak, Jim Kirshner, 7 Action News.